What do you think we should get Chip for his birthday?
An apology for destroying his wagon?
I got it. I know what we should get Chip for his birthday. Let's fix up his wagon.
A wagon makeover!
Where do we start? Everywhere.
Power wash!
We got an old apple box for the wood and a broken pogo stick. Maybe we can upcycle it for the handle. This is great. What did you get, Carrot?
This! Can you believe people just get rid of this stuff?
But did you get anything we could actually use for the wagon?
I may have misunderstood the assignment.
Okay, you heard it from me first. We don't have enough parts to fix up Chip's wagon. So, unless we grow the rest, this birthday surprise is gonna be a 3-wheeled half-upcycled bust. Grow the parts? Huh. Let's power up. It's perfect. Good deed achieved. Supper! Happy birthday, Chip!
Oh, you guys, thanks.
But wait, there's more.
Ooh! Hey, look! It's my wagon, but it isn't sagging.
Yep, we grew new wheels and wood for the tub.
And the rest of it's recycled. Check out this sweet pogo stick handle. And the side panels are board games and picture frames.
What do you think, Chip?
I think a new wagon is as good as a hug, but I'll take both. Come here, guys.
Aww.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for some more adventures.